Hello lovely people, my name is Solomon and welcome to another tutorial from S.I.T, Softworld Institute of Technology. Today I would like to introduce you to the programming language Visual Studio.net. And the language we are going to look at today is C#. Now, if you want to use C# for application development, it's very easy to do. Today I'll be introducing you to Application Development 101 with C#. And it's easy. I'm not going to take you through any boring jargons and things about C#. I'm going to take you straight into the practical, and then we'll learn the various aspects as we move on, the various controls as and when we move on, as and when we need it. I'm not going to bore you with 1 week of whatever functions, 1 week of this thing, this and that and that. We are going straight into practical programming. I'll show you how to design a form, how to code a form. We'll learn logics. Whilst doing that, we'll learn how to create functions. We'll learn how to save into the database. We'll look at Microsoft SQL briefly, and then I will show you so many different things until we finish the course. Now I'm going to teach you using a very simple project. Now that project I've started in Python, which I'll link in the description below, and then I'll also put it at the top here. You can just click on it to see. I call it the expense tracker. We started it in Python, and then we are going to start the same thing in C#. So you see how to design simple projects. And if you're able to go through this with me, then you know how to design softwares. You can design any type of software using whatever I'm going to teach you in this simple project. So let's get into the video. If this is the first time you are visiting our channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Share the video so that your friends and families can also learn. Then leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand. Leave a comment. I'll personally make sure I give you extra tutorial and make sure you understand exactly what we are learning. Now let's get into C#. Now you can download the Microsoft Visual Studio.net. You can download it from the Microsoft website, and you go to downloads. You can look for it there, and you get it to download and go through the installation. If you would like me to do another video showing you how to do the installation, please do leave a comment under the video, and then I'll see, and then I'll do another video showing you how to install it step by step. But for now, I believe if you are here, it means you know how to browse the internet, and you will easily be able to go to Microsoft.com to download the Visual Studio.net, any version that your computer can support and use. Let's get into the video. So I'm going straight to, I'll show you a sample of the expense tracker. So this is the expense tracker. You are able to, you have expense category, so utility, paying for gas in your house, LPG gas, let's say home use, or use in the that is a reason. And then how much was it? It's $150, 150 cedis, 150 shillings, whatever, 150 euros, pound, whatever you want to use. And then you click save. So that is it. Put it in a list for you. So with this, we'll be learning how to use a grid view or a list view. We'll learn combo box, date picker, text boxes, command buttons. We'll learn all that. So by the time you finish, you'll learn most of the most commonly used commands in Visual Studio. Now you can search through whatever it is. You can select a date to load whatever expenditure happens within that date. You can edit by clicking here, and then we can change the value to, let's say, 200. And then we click on update, and you see it has changed immediately. So I'm going to take you through how to create a simple form like this. This form was used in one of my softwares, Smart Boss, which is an inventory management software, a very detailed and very comprehensive inventory management software. So we'll look at how we can design something like this, and then we see what happens. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we'll dive into Visual Studio, and then we'll design the form from the beginning to the end, and then we'll learn from there. Thanks for watching once more. Bye bye, and see you in the next one.